Hello, good morning all. So far we discussed about the sexual reproduction in animals. The method of reproduction, structure of male and female reproductive organs, and the post-fertilizational changes. And also the last topic, metamorphosis, that also we learned. So next we are going to study the last part of our chapter, that's about the asexual reproduction. So in the beginning we discussed that asexual reproduction is a type of reproduction in which only a single parent is involved. Okay, only a single parent is involved, and it is the most common method of reproduction among very small or microscopic animals like hydra, amoeba, etc. Okay, so here in this chapter we are going to study about the reproduction in hydra and also reproduction in amoeba. Do you know what is hydra? Both this amoeba and hydra, these two are freshwater organisms. So first of all, we can study about the reproduction in hydra. So hydra is not a micro or not a unicellular organism. It is a microscopic one, yeah, but it is not a unicellular organism. It is a multicellular organism. A number of cells are there. The body is made up of a number of cells or more than one cells. So during favorable conditions means the condition most suitable or very good condition for the growth and multiplication. Okay, so during favorable condition, the body of hydra start to produce small outgrowths, small appendages. In figure 9.11 you can see how the outgrowth is forming in hydra. These bulges are the developing new individuals and they are called buds. These are the buds. Then the bud start to grow gradually by attaching over the parental body. So after completing its growth or after attaining maturity, it may get detached from the parent body and grows as a separate one. This type of reproduction in which only a single parent is involved is called asexual reproduction. Since new individuals develop from the buds in hydra, this type of asexual reproduction is called budding. Okay, this is a method of reproduction called budding. Another animal, another freshwater animal in which we can see how the reproduction occurs. It is also asexual reproduction. The name of the animal is amoeba. Amoeba is one of the freshwater microscopic organism. It is a single-celled one. So here the reproduction begins by the process of the division of the parental cell into two. First of all, the cytoplasm of the parent start to divide and forms. Sorry, not the cytoplasm. The nucleus of the parental cell divides and forms two daughter nuclei. Then each daughter nuclei get covered by a bit of cytoplasm. For that purpose, the cytoplasm also divides. Finally, two amoebae are produced from one parent amoeba. This type of reproduction in which an animal reproduces by dividing into two individuals is called binary fission. Okay, a number of other reproduction methods are also there existing there. In higher classes will study what are the different methods of asexual reproduction exhibited by all the animals. And in page number 108 you can see the story of Dolly the clones. Cloning is the production of exact copy of a cell. By using the cell, the scientists build, they are making an entire living organism. Okay, the story of Dolly, it is given there in the page number 108. Just go through that and study what is this process called cloning. Okay, so that's all about our chapter. In this last part that we discussed about the budding and binary fission. Okay, binary fission in amoeba and budding in yeast. Okay, thank you.